One moment, my shirt came unbuttoned. Let's get this back in order. You know, I'm quickly becoming the guy who wears Hawaiian shirts and a hat in all the YouTube videos and talks about cruising and travel tips and vlogging and going to cool excursions and getting paid to travel. And, you know, I like it. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys 4 last-minute travel hacks to help you book cheap hotels and cheap flights so you can ultimately book more cruises, because once you save a little bit of money and it compounds, it ends up turning into you saving a lot more money. So one question that we get a lot is, Griff, how often do you guys cruise? How are you guys cruising so much? How the heck are they cruising so freaking much? I need to look at your finances. Who's your accountant? How do I travel so much like you? And when I think about it, we do go on a lot of freaking cruises. Where is this money coming from? Let me see. Check my bank account, scan my face. Oh my gosh, we spend so much money on cruising. So I get it. Anyways, let me get back on track with our very first travel hack. So the first one I want to talk about is Hopper. What you want to do is install Hopper on your iPhone or your Google Android device and install this app. This app is incredible. What it's going to do is going to scan the internet for the optimal time so you could book your flight to save money. Now, I know what in the old days they used to say, book your flight at, on a Tuesday at 4 o'clock during a storm or something like that, and the price fare will be lower. And while whatever that used to be true, it's changed. So a lot of these apps will do the hard work for you. It'll scan the time and it'll be like, boom, you should probably book this flight around this time. And that'll give you an idea when you should book your cruise as well, which is awesome. The next one is Hitlist. Hitlist is going to be like your sharpshooter that's going to hunt the internet. Let's say you need to go on a cruise in June. What Hitlist will do, it'll scan the internet, and just when that is getting low enough, it'll shoot it for you and shoot you a notification like, hey, this price is as low as it's going to be. You should probably hop on it now. Book that bad boy. Book that cruise, book that flight, and you'll be good to go. The third one is going to be called Hotel Tonight. Now, this one has been on the scene for a little while, but I'm sharing this video because not everyone knows these tips. Hotel Tonight is a hidden gem, guys. It has helped us save $200, $300 on a hotel. We went to this hotel in Port Canaveral near Orlando, and the hotel originally was like 300 something bucks, but we used Hotel Tonight, booked it to the last minute possible, and I think the hotel ended up costing like 79 bucks for the night, which is great because when you're going on a cruise, you just want to stay in one spot, then you want to head out to your cruise and enjoy the real fun. So this hotel was nice too. It had a kitchen, it had a king size bed, it had a living room and a dining room. It was nuts. Couch, like flat screen TVs in both the rooms. It was incredible. It was almost like a timeshare. So what Hotel Tonight does is it finds hotels that have not booked their, let's say, have filled their capacity for the night. So you end up getting a huge deal, like a steal on that night. So use Hotel Tonight, scan it every now and then, maybe 2 or 3 days before your cruise. If you're feeling risky, you will save some money and not get a hotel in one of those dingy, like low lit areas where you're like, wow, is this the Bates Motel or I'm about to be murdered, No, Hotel Tonight is legit. And the last app I'm going to recommend is for layovers. Now, it's called Lounge Buddy. Now, for the small price of lunch, if you've ever had a long layover, 12-hour delay, drinking drinks at the bar or having dinner at, whatever the restaurants in the airport, like the inflated prices there sometimes are just nuts. It's crazy. So what Lounge Buddy does is it gives you access to lounges around like some of the best airports. And when you're in the lounges, often they have food, nice seats, places where you can lay down, get Wi-Fi, lots of ports to charge your phones and stuff like that. And if you've ever had a long layover, all that stuff is so helpful. Oh my God, I wish we would have had this stuff in Puerto Rico because Lounge Buddy would have came in so clutch. So that's the last the last travel hack that I have for you today. So This is a community-driven cruise channel, so if you have any travel hacks you want to share with people in the comment section below, please do. It'll be helpful for me, it'll be helpful for you, it'll be helpful for anyone else who's looking to save a little dough on their cruise, you know what I mean? Leave that hack in the comment section below. Guys, if you dig this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you dig the vibes, please subscribe, and if you care, please share. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.